Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto G72, and now I will show you how to install and how to set up Family Link protection on this device. Okay, firstly, you need to know that if the child knows the password from his own Google account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So I suggest you to create the new Google account for the child that only you will know, but not the child. Okay. Firstly, you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device. So open settings, then choose accounts with passwords and accounts. Then choose then choose account, Google account you need to remove from the child phone. Click remove and click add account. Click add account. Choose Google. And now enter child's Google email. Then click next and enter child's password. Click next. I agree. Accept. Great. Now go back to the settings main menu, then find here Google, scroll down and choose Parental Controls, then choose Get Started, Child or Teen, Next, choose here Child's Google account. And now you need to link child's Google account to parent Google account. So you need to enter your parent email, then enter your parent password, and click next. Scroll down and confirm child's password. Then click agree. Allow. Wait a while. Click next. Scroll down, choose next. Scroll down again, choose next, skip, and go back to the home screen. Cool. Now you need to take the parent phone, take your phone in your hand. Then just open App Store, find here Family Link application. Find Family Link, choose Get, double click to install, confirm your Face ID. Then click open, yes, click get started, and now you need to add an account you have linked to child's Google account. So in my case it's for test only. Wait a while. Okay, log in into your Google account, then click OK. Allow notification, I don't want to allow, but you can allow it. And as you can see here we have our child's device, HDB in my case, because it was test child's Google account. So just open it, click on it, and here you will see all devices linked to child's Google account. Of course, this is a test Google account, child's Google account, so I have a lot of devices here, but you'll have this only one child's device. Now scroll down, and as you can see we have child's active sessions, in my case Motorola G72. I can lock this device, I can unlock this device, I can block separate applications, I can unlock separate applications. For example, now this device lock until 600. I want to unlock, for example. Okay, I can lock separate applications. For example, I want to block I don't know, for example, I want to block calculator. So just scroll down, here you need to choose no activity. Okay, click more. Here you will see apps, all apps. Wait a while, limits, choose limits, and now find the application you want to block. As I have said, I want to block calculator. Maybe I can't block it because oh no, I can block it. So just click on the sandwich button and click block, or set limit, of course, and wait a while, and calculator was successfully blocked and removed from child's device. I can block everything, but not settings application. I can't block settings application. I can block everything, but not settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.